How to use herbs and plants from the Bible to grow your hair. In the previous video, I shared with you several plants and herbs from the Bible that can assist in massive hair growth for your natural hair. Before I continue, I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who is new to my channel, who has been supporting my videos by liking and commenting, and even those of you that have been around for many years, many months, many weeks, many days, many hours. I am incredibly grateful. The biblical based items that were mentioned in the previous video were flaxseed, aloe vera, hyssop, frankincense and myrrh. Some of you have asked how to use these herbs and plants to support with the improvement and the growth of your hair. So in this video, I will be breaking down how you can use plants and herbs mentioned in the Bible to enhance the health and growth of your natural hair. Genesis 1:29. And God said, Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree in the which of the fruit of a tree yielding seed, to you it shall be for meat. Flaxseeds. She seeketh wool and flax, and worketh willingly with her hand. Proverbs 31 verse 13. Some of the benefits of flax seeds are: it helps with the hair's moisture, strengthens hair strands, promotes hair growth, and soothes scalp irritation. Before you use any of the items mentioned in this video or in previous videos I have done, please ensure that you do a patch test and where possible consult with your doctor. Uses of flaxseed. I like to use flaxseed gel as a detangler to remove the knots and tangles from my hair. I place some flax seeds and water in a pan, allowing it to boil. Then I ensure that it cools down. I then strain the seeds from the gel that has been made, apply it to a container or an applicator bottle. I tried to use an applicator bottle recently to do this, and it just felt like a bit of extra work that I didn't need. And once it's cooled down, I then use this amazing gel created by God to detangle my hair. It literally, for me, melts the tangles away. I'm talking some of the most stubborn knots that I've come across. When I apply flaxseed gel to my hair, it removes them. What I do is I apply it straight onto the hair. However, you can mist your hair with water and then apply the gel as a detangler. Flaxseed as a pre-poo. Flaxseed is also a great pre-poo. Pre-pooing your hair is applying some form of product, typically an oil, in this case flaxseed, or there are actually products that are formulated for pre-pooing to your hair before shampooing. So it's a pre-treatment before you shampoo your hair. Pre-pooing is an excellent way to reduce dryness in your hair and to help with the overall health of your hair. So when I have used flax seeds as a pre-poo, after detangling, I might allow the flaxseed to sit in my hair from anything for a couple of minutes, and in some instances, but very rarely, longer. And in doing so, I have detangled my hair with flaxseed and also done a pre-poo treatment. Flaxseed as a styler or a sealant. Some use flaxseed gel to style their hair when twisting and braiding their real hair. I will use an oil alongside this to avoid flaking. I have not used flaxseed as of yet as a styler, in the sense of, if I'm going to do a wash and go, but I have used it to seal the ends of my hair, and I find it was quite good. It wasn't too bad. I think it's something I would need to do more of. Aloe vera. Like valleys that stretch out, like gardens by the riverside, like aloes planted by the Lord, like cedars behind the waters. Numbers chapter 24 verse 6. Aloe vera is another excellent plant for your natural hair. Aloe vera is great in hydrating your hair and conditioning your hair. It protects your hair from UV damage, and if you suffer from irritable scalp, itchy scalp, dandruff, aloe vera can actually help in addressing that issue. It's also believed to be linked to promoting hair growth. This gel-like lush green plant can be also used as a detangler. Aloe vera as well can be an excellent oil for improving your hair's overall health its shine and your hair growth. I have a video where I show you how to make your very own aloe vera growth oil. I would also recommend, if and when you create your own aloe vera hair oil, growth oil, ensure you add either some hyssop, frankincense or myrrh to this mixture. So we're going to leave it here today, and I will be doing another video where I talk about how to use hyssop, frankincense and myrrh. These are items mentioned in the Bible and how you can use them in your natural hair regime to help you aid in healthier, longer, luscious, beautiful, natural hair. If you've enjoyed this video, please share this video with at least one friend. May the Lord continue to bless you, and thank you so much for your support. Have a great day, Ray.